Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own lightening facial wash, which is indeed effective. This facial wash will help reduce excess oil on the skin, help to brighten up your face, fights acne and control oily skin. So let's get down to the video. The ingredients I'll be needing for these mixtures are castor soap base. This is my soap base. It's a natural soap base made from organic oil of coconut and sunflower. It provides a nice, gentle cleaning action. Good for individuals with sensitive skin. Rose water. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin. Get rid of acne and eczema. Vitamin E gel. This helps to heal dry skin. Clear honey. Honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for acne. Alpha arbutin. This is found in blaeberry plant. It has a natural whitening qualities that makes it ideal for skincare products. It's ideal if you want to achieve lightening skin or cover blemishes. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil as a remedy for acne, dry skin, and countless other skin conditions. Tree tea essential oil. It is known for treating and preventing acne scars, leaving you with smooth, clear skin. So I'll be needing my measuring cup for mixtures. I'll be adding 85 ml cup of rose water. I'll be adding 30 ml of castor soap. I'll be adding 7.5 ml of honey. I'll be adding 7.5 ml of jojoba oil. I'll be adding 1.2 ml of alpha arbutin, which is water soluble. I'll be adding 7.5 ml of vitamin E gel. Then lastly, 10 drops of tree tea essential oil. Then mix them all together. So now I'll be needing a container to pour in my facial wash. Make sure you clean your container with rubbing alcohol to prevent any bacteria. I will get my clean funnel and pour in my facial wash. And then we have it. So simple. Be sure to use this morning and night for an effective result. Thank you all for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more content, hit the notification bell. Thank you all for watching. Bye.